Mike, are you afraid of me?
Maybe a little nervous, but not afraid.
Are you sure?
You're going down.
Mike, that's not your
You
day.
can't take a move back, Mike.
You sure you don't want to take
Please
a move back?
take a move back.
Say goodbye to your room.
What the heck?
Mike.
Hello, my friend.
Oh, he called him. He's rooting for you.
Hi. Long time no see.
Yeah, the funny, I always watch you on the shows.
Oh,
I'm
really?
just streaming, yeah, it's good.
Okay, my
I'll offer a
friend.
cash reward if his defeat is
Come on, Mike.
embarrassing enough.
Oh, take it easy. Same thing's going to happen to you to happen to her or something like that.
Ready? Okay, once
Okay,
again, just to
very
make
good.
sure.
And-
Now the third time.
All right, good.
Third time is a
And-
charm. Boston Mike,
Yes.
my friend. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I've missed
we were
you.
at the International Chess Tournament. Where were you?
Yes, I was in Reykjavik. I beat 2 grandmasters there.
Did you? You did well?
Yes, I
Good,
beat
very
2
good.
entire grandmasters there.
Did you beat him with a stick or?
Have you heard of this?
No, I have not.
You have not?
No.
Alright. So I hope that you improved ever since we played last time.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe a little. Not that I really needed much, but I did.
You didn't need I see. You're assuming you were strong already.
You're strong enough to beat you.
Strong enough to beat me. Oh no. Interesting.
2100 now.
I like your confidence.
Thank you.
I'm gonna attack you.
By the way, in case you're
I know exactly what Dino's thinking.
squishy swap.
That is like the worst move on the board. I can't believe you did it.
Mike, you are
Because I'm not
oddly
sitting-
quiet today.
I think
No,
it's a
I'm
better
not.
interface.
I'm not
better
used to
program.
that.
Don't worry, I'm going to change right now as soon as I take control, which I just did.
Okay, Rook.
So what?
Use your time.
And I have a.
You
I
go.
play
You
with
gotta
Take a
need
hike.
it. You
I
want
said
me
you
to
go.
go?
and if
Leave
I
now.
Fire up,
Leave
test
now.
our comms out.
Okay.
No, run.
Okay.
Run.
Okay. Fine. Everybody here in this room needs to calm down. Take a chill pill.
Some people just don't want to listen to me, and I try to help you. It's all right, though. That's how I am. I try to be nice. You don't care.
Listen, you want me to go back? I'll go back. That's not a big deal.
You
All
understand.
the way?
Oh, this shit.
I didn't know that
She
he
can't
went
do
all the
that.
way there.
It's alright. Sometimes pieces need to get back to
They
their
need to
starting
breathe.
positions to regroup themselves. It's called
You're doing
investment.
very well. I really enjoy that move, whatever that means.
It's called investment.
You better pay attention because you're losing right now. You know that, right?
Wait a second.
You're losing. I'm
You
trying
did
to.
that?
That's one of my many.
Are you sure?
possibilities. You're going down.
You don't want to take a move back?
Can I take 3?
Only
Just
one.
one.
I'll let that ride. It's all right.
You sure?
Mike, take the move back.
You don't want to take the move
I
back?
ate it. I ate it. That's it. Sorry. I ate it. I didn't see it. Good. It was behind me.
Thank you for the night. All right,
Can't believe
Mike.
I
Very
missed
good next
that.
year. Who's next
You
year?
gotta go through. You know what you gotta go through.
Check. Remember that bishop once went back? Now it's going to kill you.
I can't believe I gave you that.
Here. Come on, Mike.
It's bad. Okay.
Mike, are you afraid of me?
Maybe a little nervous, but not
You can even
afraid.
cough up the cake.
Take it in.
Creative is a
Oh.
polite word for
Even Carlini played better.
Oh! I have never been insulted like that. Usually it's something else.
Go here.
I'll
Oh,
resolve it. I'll take
no.
care of you. Not that I'm scared,
I'm gonna do
because
it
I'm not.
once.
I gave you a piece and you're still going to sleep. That's right.
Nice. Now we're talking. He's back on track. Quinn.
That you know something? I'm sure you're doing okay. Just not right now.
Interesting.
That's a night. Go there. That pawn.
Don't worry, pawn can wait. We're taking.
All right. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Wait, you really want me to take the pawn?
That wouldn't be that
sure
bad.
you want me to
I
take
think
the
that
pawn?
would be a pretty good idea.
I'm gonna
Yes?
play it with my energy.
I'm doing it.
I'm giving it to you.
Okay, fine, thank you.
Now take a hike.
But what about this pawn?
All yours.
Okay, I'm taking it. Interesting. Very interesting.
And by the way, remember this is on film, so when you lose, I gave you a piece and I still beat you.
Whoa.
On film.
Nice.
How you gonna feel like when I
In
beat
your dreams, sweetheart.
Oh, she called him sweetheart. How nice.
No, she didn't mean it though, and I'm not happy. No, she didn't.
You did that?
Absolutely.
Mike, that's not your day.
Mike, that was such a Mike move.
Mike, that's
you
not your
can't take
day.
a move back, Mike.
You sure you don't want to take
Please
a move back?
take a move back.
Mike, say goodbye to your room.
What the heck?
Mike, they go backwards, Mike.
All right,
Mike.
I'm not paying attention. I can't freaking believe I
Come on,
did that
Mikey.
twice in a row. I
Please,
just
Mike.
gave it 2 pieces.
That's okay, Mike. You just cannot. You're just way too intimidated by my trash talking.
Oh,
Oh, he plays like this all the time. He plays like this all the time.
oh, did I say oh? That is
Damn it, he saw it. But good news.
You don't need a piece.
What?
Oh no, my knight.
Yeah. the
What
night-
did I do?
I'm
Oh
not
my
sure.
god, my knight.
Oh
Oh no. Oh no, my
Mike
knight.
takes knight and he's tracking his queen.
I lost the knight. My bad.
Bad that
Hey,
one.
Mike, why didn't
Bad
you take
that.
my
You heard what I said. Bad that one.
He didn't take my knight.
Yeah, knight takes queen.
Okay, he didn't fall for my trick. Fine.
Attacking her queen.
Going back. Not trading pieces. Beginners think when you're up material you should
Bro,
trade
you're
pieces.
going, you're going.
That's wrong. You should never trade pieces because if you keep the pieces you can gain even more.
I keep going the wrong way here.
Well yeah, technically you do. Let's go here. Mike, that's a good move. You shouldn't hesitate. Never doubt yourself.
You can
This is
start
gonna- this is
doubting
gonna get
anytime.
nasty, Mike.
I know it already is. and I'm
Okay,
not
I
happy.
want to win in a fancy way. That's
Playing
gonna be
fancy just
beautiful.
nasty, Mike.
Mike, don't let her play the fancy stuff.
Mike, you got 2 minutes 45 seconds to figure it all out. You sure about that? Okay. How about this? Yeah. Nasty.
Nasty nothing. You're going to sleep. What do you think of that? What?
Going where? To sleep? Check. You sure about that?
I think so. I already gave you enough pieces.
25 seconds. Should be enough, right? To checkmate in 3.
You don't have to take it, Mike.
I know.
You don't have to take it, but they still checkmate in 3.
No, it isn't. You're not watching the board if you believe that.
See this rook? It's coming after your king.
It's coming
You don't
after
have
no
to take it,
one.
Mike. You can just lay there and correct.
Okay, everybody, pause the video. Checkmate in 3. You found it? Okay,
Rook H6.
let's
check.
go. Hey, no help there,
No
please.
help
No
there.
backseating. Mike, your last wish.
Before execution.
She got me. She got me.
You gotta take those moves back, Mike.
Likes
When
it
you lose a
blindfold.
night, when you lose a night, Mike.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.
I lost 2 pieces. Let's
I
go
can
one
give
more.
you a
Can I get
rebate.
One more. I gave you
Just
2
make
pieces.
sure you don't blunder pieces.
Okay.
Yeah.